you guys watched our video last week, you guys would have caught that huge market rally that rallied for over 92 points, even going over 100 at one point, and then it came back down. Now let me show you guys the video. If you guys, besides the YouTube, which is very helpful obviously, make sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram, because that's where I post like intraday updates every single day. So we caught this short opportunity all the way until our 397 to 392 level, which it tagged, and now it's rebounding. Now let's go into where you guys could have caught the upside on my YouTube video. No, sorry, on my TikTok video. This is the video that was posted a day ago. So yesterday, I think. Oh wait, no.
ROBINHOOD.com. I'm gonna enable my.
So this is my TikTok. So make sure you guys follow it if you guys want intraday updates. But where do I think the market's gonna go? I believe
the market. So SPY or QQQ. Let me show you guys what I will choose and why. All right, here we got ROBINHOOD.com. I'm gonna enable my watch list to show just the ETFs, since that's what I'm focusing on today. Seems like we got a.
So this is why I always say trade with the right tools, because ROBINHOOD.com does it again. We saw the golden sweeps for SPY and Tesla signaling upside, and
a lot of golden calls.
This is why Chance AI is so important, because the only sweep that had Chance AI over one was the SPY call. So again, a lot of these other platforms give you like a million sweeps to look at. And this is why our platform is so much more superior, because it picked this up.
Tesla and SPY, and Chance AI over one right here. As you can see, the SPY golden call was at 207. And this is ES, which is equivalent to SPY. And here it is, 2 o'clock, and boom. We're at 392.7, which is 392.7 on SPY. And they got in at 389.
So they got in at 389 and it's 392. And now guess what? If you look here, the market's currently trading at 402 afterwards. So if you guys trade with the right tools, obviously you could have caught the upside. Anyways, where I think the market's going to go the upcoming week. I would say this is the first week where I am not too sure. These are the two levels that I will be watching. So the 403 and 405 level. This is overhead supply. As you can see, we rejected once here for a total of 62 points, which is $6 on the SPY. And we are not above it yet. With everything in any market, price always moves in sequence. So just because we have such a monster rally doesn't mean that we can sustain a monster rally or that price cannot move the opposite direction. So from here, I do side a little more for the market to dump maybe on Monday and continue its way up. The levels again that I'm watching are these levels here. The 403 and 405 level for a short term put scalp. And for the longer term, we can look for some long opportunities if it could come back down to this 396 level, which is approximately a 53-point dump from where we are trading at currently. So I am a little more bearish than bullish as of right now, not for the long term. I am a little more bullish for the long term, but I am, okay. So my micro projection as of right now, I think we're going to dump a little bit on Monday and then continue up. However, the long-term projection is still bearish. The correction is still not done. I don't think so. We're still consolidated within this huge like channel right here. So I do think that we can potentially come back around this 420 or even this 442 level. I would love for it to come to this 442 level where I could short it again. I do not think that the correction is over. However, I do think we have some upside from here because again, price moves in sequences. And if we do a 0.5 retracement on the market from this pivot, we see the 0.5 is around 424, which also correlates with a supply level here. So, and also with this this flag resistance potentially around this area. So as of right now, I am super short-term bearish, short-term bullish, and long-term bearish. So I do think the market will come back down a little on Monday, continue going up. And also we got shorts that are covering, as you can see, the stochastics here flashing, about to flash a buy signal. And we were looking for this upside, I mean, since the beginning of time. Again, if you watch our prior YouTube videos, you already know that we called this as it happened, before it happened, and now we're again giving you guys an insight of what we think the market's going to do. Obviously, this isn't financial advice. Make sure you're trading with the right tools, because if it wasn't because of callsorputs.com, we wouldn't have called this. So I don't want to update anything else really, because I'm not 100% sure as to where the market, well, I'm never 100% sure as to where the market will go, but as of right now, I'm still a little confused. I would like some downside where we tag this level at 396, and then that's where I'll look for longs. One huge trade that we posted for free actually on a Discord is this bill trade. I wish I would have taken this one. Bill hit our demand level over here, and it bounced for a total of 35%. So if you guys trade options, you guys already know 35% is a lot of money. So I wish I would have taken it, but just a simple market update for now, since I'm confused myself. Again, I already gave you guys my chain of thought. Please comment below, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, because that's where I post intraday updates. As you guys know, YouTube is only a once a week thing. Instagram and TikTok, I try to post as much as possible, just because it's a little easier and I don't have to do anything really. So make sure you follow me on there. Again, trade with the right tools and the right team. You can see on my monitor here, that's my Discord. So if you guys are interested, join the Discord. It's free unless you want premium alerts, where you could go to chancetrades.com and use that in correlation with callsorputs.com, because that's what we do. Have a good one now.